hope you all have seen my last week video, and you have done the practical of that session, and how we can insert the animations, transitions, and how we can insert our own voice in your presentations. You all have done the practical of this. I hope you all are enjoying this session, and now we will move further in our chapter. In my last week chapter, I told you how to insert the animation, transitions, and on audio clips in your presentations, and today I will tell you about how we can insert the videos. What the use of the videos? Videos that are used to make your presentation more attractive and more presentable. Now next topic is inserting the video clips. How you can insert the video clip in the presentations? Then you have to follow these steps. Firstly, go on the insert tab, then go on the media group, then click on the video, and there are three options will come: video from file, clip art video, and video from websites. If you want to insert the video from the files that is already stored in your PC, then you will select this options, and if you want to select the video from the clip art, then you will select this option. And if you want to insert the video from the website, then you have to select these options. By selecting this, it will show any files, and you can select the desired files, and the desired video will be inserted in your presentation. After that, you can set its time. You can set on clicking, it will play. These are many options that you can see in your practical sessions. Now next topic that we will do next is our action buttons. What are the action buttons? These are the built-in buttons that you can use when you want to go the previous slides, when you want to move to the next slides, when you want to play the audio, play the video, when you want to use the buttons for these types of the actions, then we use the action buttons. And how you can insert the action buttons? In this, you will click on the insert tab, then you will go in the illustration group, and after that you will select the shapes, then you will select the shape of the action buttons, and at last you will click on the end, and then by dragging this, you will put this action button in your slides. This is all about the action button. And the third thing that we will do, and the third is importing the data from the Word. How you can import the data from the Word file in your MS presentation, in your presentation files. I will tell you this practically, that how we can do this, how we can insert the Word file in our presentations, and it will make your presentation more attractive and more beautifully, because you can use the MS Excel and MS Word files, and you can insert the view of these files into your presentation also, and this will make your presentations more easier for you also. Now hello dear students, now come with me for the practical session of this. Now today we will do that how we can insert the videos in the presentation, and second, how we can insert the action button, and third, how we can insert the Word file in the presentation. Now first, how you can insert the videos. Firstly, you will go on the insert tab, click on this insert tab. When you will click on this insert tab, then this ribbon will be open, and you will go in this media group. In this media group, you will click on this video button. As you will click on, then the three options will come, that is video from file, video from websites, and the clip art video. Now here is video from files. If the video is saved in your laptop, in your laptop, then you can select the video from files. If your net is working and you directly wants to add the video from the websites, then you can use this options, and if you want to insert the clip art video, then you can use this options. Now I am using video from file. Click on this. As you will click on this insert video dialog box will be opened, and in this, wherever your file is saved, you can use this. For example, I am inserting S1, insert. Click on, again I am doing video, insert from file, I am going in the D drive, because my videos are some videos are saving here, camera, and I am clicking on this any video, click and insert. Some problems are coming because this file format is not according to this PowerPoint presentation, so I am using I have already inserted one video in this. Whenever your video will be inserted, and whenever you will click on this video, as I will click on this, one button will appear. You can see that is the format button. By applying this format button, by using this format button, you can change the styles, the shapes and videos, all these things. You can format this one. So this is the topic, that how you can insert the video in the PowerPoint. Now next, how we can use the action buttons. Now next is how we can insert the action button. For inserting the actions button, you will click on this insert tab again. Then you will not go in the media group, then you have to go in this illustration groups, and you will click on this shape buttons. Then you can see many shapes are there, and at the last you can see there is shown some action buttons. From this action buttons, I am clicking one button like this, forward and next, and this is backward. Firstly, I have used the backward, and as I go in this slides, and as I will click the mouse and drag the mouse, this button will be appear, and after that you will see a dialog box also. As I am dragging this is button is here, and as and now you will see, as you drag this button, at the same time you can see this action setting dialog box here. In this action setting dialog box, you can see two options are showing, that is mouse click and the mouse over. It means you can apply any action on this button when you click on this, and when you move the mouse over it. This button is, I am moving here, this button is for the backward. It means whenever you will click on this, you will move to the previous slides. So I am setting here, I am not clicking on none, I am clicking in hyper to previous slides. Whenever you will click on this, and you will move to the previous slides. Plus here is mouse over पे मैं इस पे एक और एक्शन लगाना चाहती हूँ. जैसे इसके ऊपर माउस ओवर हुआ, then I also set this play sound. I am going on this play sound option, and I am clicking on this play sound. As I click on this play sound, now I will select many sound on it. Bomb. I have selected this bomb sound, and then I press OK. Now I am one button I am also inserting, that is insert illustration group, then shapes, and then this one, and again I am applying this mouse over one, that is play sound, and that is now breeze. Okay, I have set the actions on these both buttons. Now I am starting the slideshow by pressing the F5 key, this one. I am starting from here, slideshow, that is from beginning it is started. You can see next slides, now next slides, and I am mouse overing it. जब मैंने over mouse पे मैंने क्या actions लगाए थे इस पे, what event will occur, it will show some sound. You can see some small sound is coming. Are you listening? Hear it again. अब इस बटन पे दिखाती हूँ. So in action buttons पे ये दो sounds apply होगी हैं. Plus when I click on this, I am going to previous slides also. And when इससे next slide तो कोई है ही नहीं, so it will not move. This. So I have applied the two events on this action button. Firstly, when I will click, when the mouse will be mouse will be over it, then it will play some sound, and when you will click on this, it will move to the previous slides. Now press the escape button and I am moved back to here. Now I am going to tell you the third topic, how you can import the data from the Word. For this, I am minimizing this PowerPoint. Now I am opening the Microsoft Word. Go to Start, Whole Program, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word. Here, I click on this Microsoft Word. Now I am going in, clicking on this view. In this view, I am clicking on this outline view. Now I am writing this in outline view. For example, I am writing same that is written in your book, that is types of software, then enter. Then I am writing this, clicking on this, then I am writing second what is written in this Microsoft Word, and third is Microsoft Excel. Third I am writing Microsoft Word and third I am writing Microsoft Excel. Then I have written these three things. Now I am clicking on this first, selecting on this types of software, and then clicking on this home tab, and I am setting is at a heading 1. Now I am selecting on Microsoft Word, and then setting is in the style group I am clicking on heading 2. Now in Microsoft Excel, then again in style group I am going and setting is as a heading 3. Now you can see I have made this Word file. Then I am clicking on this save button, that is on the quick file में जाके you can click on this save button. Save. I have given it name of the software. I am giving the name, that is the same of the software. Then clicking on the save button. Replace, I think I have already given this name, and then I am replacing existing one file, because it is showing that already made a one file of it's replacing existing one. Okay, then this is saved file. Now I am closing this Word file. Now I have closed the Word file. I am again opening the presentations on which we were working on that. Now this you can see. Now this is your presentation file. Now I am clicking on this view tab and then slide sorter view. Clicking on this slide sorter view, all the slides are sorting here. Now I am inserting the Word file from here. How you can insert? Go on click on home and then new slides options. Whenever you will click on this new slide option, at last you can see there is option slides from the outline. Click from slide from outline. Now where that files is placing, which we have made documents, and this was the type of software. Now click on this and I am clicking on this insert button. You can see the 5th slides in your presentation. Now you can see that is the type of software is inserted. So this is the method how you can import a Word file into your presentation. Now I think the 3 sessions are completed, which was about how you can insert the video, how you can work on the action buttons, and at last that was that how you can import the data from Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. This is all about of your practical session of this chapter. Plus in my next lecture we will do the book work and the question answer of this book, and till then please do the practical of this, and I am giving you one project work which you will do. And please again and again I am saying, please do the practice of this practical session. Yes students, now I think this chapter is clear to you because we have done the practicals of this chapter completely, and I hope you will do the practical. You will make the presentations by using these animations, by using these transitions, by using your on-sites, your any video clip, your audio clip, plus by inserting some word file into it, and you will also use the actions button. By using all these things you will make a presentation. So there is one project work in your notebook, and you have to do this project work that is given. I will tell you, some lab sessions is given on the page number 60 and 61. Try these lab sessions also, plus 61 there is a project work. Don't need to send to me, but you will make it for yourself. If you find any difficulty in making things, then you can contact me. On page number 61 there is a project work of 20 slides on the topic diversity in India. No need to make the 20 slides. Please make 7 to 8 slides on the topic diversity in India, and use the animations and the transitions and some video clips in it. And still you are having any issues, you are having any problem, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.